perfume, shrimp deodorant.
That's about it for shrimp. No, how no, nigga? I can keep going. I got shrimp for days. Watch my legs.
Shrimp tampons.
Shrimp babies.
Shrimp diapers.
I'll shrimp your mother.
Shrimp diaper rash cream. Shrimp.
I rub shrimp on everything.
Shrimp hair dye. Shrimp cushions. Shrimp dogs.
Oh, I love shrimp puppies. Pussycat shrimps.
Oh, that's yours, girl. Jackpot.
You can have it.
She got her Hoffenbrow.
Okay.
She got her Hoffenbrow and her Planders.
What the hell's a Hoffenbrow?
It's a type of beer.
This beer is
It's her kind of eyebrows she got on right now.
Hoffenwiener.
underneath the colon.
Hoppenweisner.
Yeah.
They sell Hoff and Heineken.
So she's doing a commercial.
Hoffenweiser. Drink your best.
They sell Hoffen
Do you know
Heineken.
every day my parents wake me up for work, they call me Buck Nasty.
That's not nice.
They go, oh, Buck Nasty.
Oh, why you real nasty in the morning?
Well, yeah, I tell her to shut the fuck up.
All I know from Emily in the morning, she shuffles her way out like she won't even there.
Well, that's like when my
Shady
wakes
dip.
me up.
She does a shady dip.
Yeah, shady dip. Like I wake up to these bitches in my crib, just chilling on the couch. We wake up together. We hang out and shit. We talk. We have cigarettes. We have coffee. We clean up a little. And this bitch is already gone from like the crack of dawn.
I shuffle my way.
She ain't having none of that. She's like,
Show
I
us,
don't wanna be
show us your shuffle dip. Shuffle the fuck out.
Well, usually sometimes like I clean up before I leave, and then I just leave.
That's a dirty
Like
dip.
I just do a swoop, and then I
She cleans up before she goes to sleep. That's what she does.
Well,
So she can get out real early in the morning.
Yeah.
We know. We know that.
There's not a reason for it. It just happens.
where were you going anyway?
home. I don't know. I come back home to go to sleep. Or I go to work. I don't know which one it is.
Either
Probably
one,
go
it's
back
happening.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Vegas.
Wait, how's that?
I know,
What
in
do you
life,
do, baby?
general.
home. Oh, she's good. She's good.